Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear conversation on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now here you will find clear conversation on account action settings. Click on it like this and click like this, and now click clear and it will be cleared, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.